Hey guys, it's going Josh here, and today I'm here with a spoiler type video, and I'll try making the title relatively clean. I don't want to spoil too much in the title. I mean, there's only so much you can do while also staying on topic with your title. But anyways, if you don't want to be spoiled, please click out of the video now and come back to the video after you've seen the movie Transformers last night, or if you just don't care about spoilers anymore at a certain point. But anyways, getting past that, there is actually a credit scene. You know, it's like right at the end of the movie, obviously, because it's a credit scene, and it's very interesting. And the reason why I have basically wasted 40 seconds of your life here is because I really wanted you guys to have a chance to click out, because it is very, very, very spoilerific. And the contents of it basically is Quintessa. So she isn't defeated, she doesn't die at the end of the movie. She actually does something we saw in the second Transformers movie, which is she disguises herself in a human form. So she's hiding amongst humans now at this point, but she's still evil, and basically her plans are to destroy Earth. Now the reason why is because it's revealed in the movie that Earth, just like in many Transformers mythos, is actually Unicron. And a big thing Quintessa wants to do is kill Unicron and really steal Unicron's essence in order to revive Primus, who is obviously Cybertron, which is also a nice reveal they have there. So basically she says at the end of the movie she knows how to still kill Unicron, aka kill Earth, and bring Cybertron back, and she's gonna do it. So that's where we leave off here. It looks like the next movie is probably gonna actually have Unicron kind of show himself in a more fuller capacity, and I'm already predicting it now. Unicron's gonna have Megatron be his slave or his vessel, something like that. But comment below your guys' thoughts. What do you guys think about this? Are you excited to actually see Unicron? Do you want to see Primus 2? And obviously, do you want to see a Primus versus Unicron fight, or a flashback with the both of them kind of making the Allspark and the original 13 Primes in their war? Comment below your guys' thoughts, and I'll see you guys later.